This is the cap of the SFB and SolarX120. This waterproof rubber needs to be put it in this way to be actually the correct way to close it. This is the incorrect way. So please check this before closing it so you don't have any waterproof problems. Correct way. This is the correct way how to install the cap for the SolarX120 and the new hardware of SFB. First, press it a little bit, and step one, put the screws in. Screw them just a little bit, not too tight. Then press it down a little bit. And then go back with the screwdriver and screw it again. Again, just a little bit, not too tight. Give him a little bit more of pressure to put the tab down, and then for the last time, let's screw it again. This way you can see there's no red and the full cap is down. This is the correct way how to install it.